So here's a little bit closer up view of one of the waterfalls. You see it goes all the way up into the tree line up there. And you can already see over here the other waterfall, which we're going to walk around to. Here's Jesse having fun playing. Got all kinds of flowers, flowering plants. I have no idea what this one is, but it's everywhere. And let's see. Here's this little purple flower. I think it almost looks like little purple hearts all over. And some type of lupin, according to what the leaves look like. I think it's a lupin. Or it's weed, one or the other. Yeah, it's a lupin. Anyways, there's some more of it back here. I'm not sure what that tree is, but I think it's about to flower. I'm seeing, it looks like flowers about to erupt on that. And then we come over here, just a little ways. There's more of the river. Apologize for moving so fast, Mom. Here's another little purpley flower I found. Not sure what those are. And we have to go around the mud puddle. As best we can. And by the way, mud puddle. That hurt. But this is the main waterfall. See if I can zoom up on it a little bit. See it top to bottom. And I got little, like, baby snowflakes coming down at me. I think you might have just seen one on the camera just now. It wants to snow, but it's not quite cold enough. Anyway, there's Super Pup. And this is what I've been listening to every night going to sleep. I could get used to that. That is a beautiful sound. And like I said, the other waterfall is just right over here behind these trees. I'm going to try to get down there just a little bit closer, just to that little outcropping where Jesse is. Get some more pictures and then go back to the RV, which, by the way, the RV is right next to that tree, or somewhere right around in there. It's just up above the ridge. Can't see it, but anyways, yeah, got this cool stump that I took some pictures of it too. And there goes the Jesse. Amazing energy. Anyways, that's enough for this video. I'll leave y'all with one last little shot.